Thikũ nini thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto gucera kaunti-ini ya Embu na kuhurira marebe guthurwo gwa atongoria kiama kia Jubilee, undu uyu riu ni ukireirwo na njira nene. Ahuraniri ungavana Atatu kaunti-ini ino na aria niyo Kithinji Kiragu wa PNU, Cyrus Njiru uria urugamite ta mundu kiumbe, na Leonard Muriuki wa NARK Kenya maugite muingi wa Embu ndwagirirwo ni kwirwo uria magathura indi marekwo matue matua mao hatari kuingirirwo.
His Excellency the President started in Moya, went to Keretire, went to Chicago, went to Ronyenjes, and went to Embu. Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, His Excellency the President, did not say 6 piece. Don't put words in his mouth.
Lakini wameamua hawezi kurundia makosa waliofanya mwaka wa 2013 kuwachagua viongozi wengine pule kabisa ambao walikuwa wamevaa uniform ya TNA. Kwa hivyo mambo ya suit haki haiwezekani hapa Embu County.
Atatu aya magikinyererio nyiti mbaru wao kuri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuria meranĩire guthie na mbere kumumathira kura mbere ya githurano giukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.